Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Teams meeting step by step clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Navigate to the calendar section on the left sidebar. Locate the meeting you want to record. Click on the meeting to open its details. Join the meeting by pressing the Join button. Once you're in the meeting, look for the three-dot menu at the top of the screen. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal more options. Select Start Recording from the drop-down menu. A notification will appear, informing all participants that the meeting is being recorded. Ensure that everyone is aware and agrees to the recording. While recording, you can continue your meeting as usual. To stop the recording, return to the three-dot menu. Click on it again and select Stop Recording. The recording will automatically save to Microsoft Stream or OneDrive, depending on your organization settings. After stopping the recording, you will receive a notification indicating that it has been saved. You can access the recording from the meeting chat or your recordings library. Share the link with participants if needed. Review the recording to ensure it captured the meeting as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.